Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can use Mapillary imagery on the IE editor at OpenStreetMap.org website. In this example I'm gonna use a 360-degree imagery. However, you can capture your own footage with the Mapillary app. If you follow the Mapillary blog, you are aware that recently that City of Amsterdam has contributed with 800,000 photos to Mapillary as an open data initiative. So we'll use it in this example, and it's really good because it's a great example of armchair mapping since I've never been to Amsterdam. But with this tool, I'm allowed to contribute with better data to OpenStreet. So let's go to Edit and pick ID Editor. Now go to Map Data and pick Photo Mapillary Overlay. Let it load, minimize it, and as you can see, it's loading. Each of these dots represents 360-degree imagery, as you can see, and you can navigate on it, and then the display is updated with the orange. So let's use it for improving a building, for example. Let's navigate a bit more. Let's see what are the tags on this building. It currently has these tags, but we can see that we can use it for, let's say, building levels. There's 4 floors over here, as we can see. So let's write 4. Let's also mention the building color. For this example, I will use this website, which is htmlcolorcodes.com, and use the Xcode. It would be really great if the ID editors developers could use a sampling tool, so we could just use this tag and pick the sampling tool and just click on it, and the Xcode would appear. So let's add a source. It's Mapillary. Why is this important? Let's say in the future someone creates a heat map or a filter where we could see which objects in the OpenStreetMap data are improved using Mapillary. That way we can narrow and focus on areas that already have Mapillary imagery or that do not have it, and clearly pinpoint which areas we can improve it. So let's leave a note also here, a fix me, because this building, as you can see, has like a tower on the left side. So let's mention building needs improvement for 3D tower. Okay, continuing on, we can also mention the surface of the road, for example. Let's pick the highway. What kind of tags it has? It only has these 3, so let's improve it. Let's say the surface, which are paving stones, not stones. Hang on. It has 2 lanes. It also has parking on both ways. So let's add parking lane both. And they are parallel. We can also add sidewalks, which are on both sides. So let's write sidewalk. and use it both. Again, add the source. This will be very important in the future. Okay, what more can we see on this imagery? We can also spot trees over here, which is also visible in the satellite image. So let's pick the point. Let's click on it. And let's write tree. Pick it. So I'm not really familiar with which type of tree this is. So again, I will leave a note that speaks to me. Um, improve leaf type. And again, at the source, Mapillary. So as you can see, there's one over here. It's like free. So what we can do now is like pick it, do Control C on your keyboard, then target with your mouse and do Control V, then click on your mouse. That way we don't really have to do it all over again. Okay, so let's check on the left side. There's also a tree over here. Let's add it. We can also see street lamps over here, which is right. Okay, let's copy this one. This one is over here. And there's a street lamp. So let's again pick a point, drop it, and click street lamp. Again, mention the source, Mapillary. It's electric for sure, but as you can see, it's example. It's electric, correct. If it has some kind of reference, you can use it. This is really good for websites like Street Lamp. I think that's the name of it. Anyway, I will put it on the comments below or in the description of the video, where you can see all the street lights around you. So there's another one here in front of this building. Again, let's Control C, Control V. Let's check the other side of the road. There's another one over here, right after the tree. Again, click on it. So let's focus on another example right now. Let's save these edits. Trees, street lamps, building, and also highway info. So let's upload it. Okay, continuing on. Let's again, it's loading the Mapillary imagery. Let's click on it. So what do we have here that isn't mapped? So there's a biking park over here. So we can use it to tag. So let's pick a point and write bicycle parking. Again, mention the source, which is Mapillary. We can set the capacity, so let's roughly count how many bicycles would be here, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. We'll say about 25. What type of it? I think it's rack. If it's not, you can correct me. Okay. There is also a street lamp over here, so let's go back a bit further. Yeah. Control C on it. Navigate back, and right in front of this building. Yeah, actually you can see the shade of it. So just Control C and drop it with your mouse. Okay, let's go a bit further ahead into the park. There's this park. As you can see, this is not a 360-degree imagery. However, you can use it also. So what do we have here? Oh, it's a dog excrement vending machine, which is also not matte. Yeah, here it is. I'm not really sure if it has a fee, but it doesn't look like. So I'm not really sure, so let's not create incorrect information. Again, mention the source, and let's say it's Mapillary. Why do we have? Why is it important that we can add the building levels, the trees, and the street lamps? If you head to F4 map, you can see how great the information looks like in 3D. You can see the differences in type of leaves, like a palm tree and different ones over here. The building levels and also the ceilings. I won't get much detail about this, but you can check on OpenStreetMap wiki and see more information about it. So let's continue on to the park and see if we can add to OpenStreetMap. So this area is already mapped as a park. If you click on it, it says a forest, so it's okay. Okay, we have benches over here which aren't mapped. So let's add it. Let's pick a point. Just to confirm it's this photo, you click on it. Sorry. Yes, it's this one, so it's right in front of it. Click point. So let's write bench. Does it have a backrest? Yes, it does. What's the color of it? It's green. And the capacity, I would say 4. There's 2 persons over here, so let's put 4. Again, mention the source. Sorry. Mapillary. And let's duplicate it. There's 2 benches over here, so click on it, Control C on your keyboard, target it, Control V, and then click with your mouse. There's also a trash bin, so let's add it to trash waste basket. That's it. Again, source Mapillary. Okay, moving on. I can see there's another bench over there, so let's just Control C, Control V, and navigate to it until you see the red thing on the map, which means it's that photo. So let's target it. Again, click on it, and there you go. Continuing on the park, there's a lot that can be mapped. Let's see if the surface on these streets are mapped. Okay, they are not. Some paved. Okay, so as you saw in these examples, with Mapillary we are taking OpenStreetMap to the next level with the amount of details we can add, from street lamps to house numbers to trees. So use it. It's quite simple. Install the app. You can capture your own non-360 imageries and then upload it on Wi-Fi. You don't need data or Wi-Fi to capture them. So it's really easy, and you can also use the Mapillary traffic sign detection, which is really good. I will do another tutorial about it. So hope you enjoy it. Let's save it again. Mention that she added benches, dog excrement, vending machine, and also waste bin. So let's upload it. Okay, hope you enjoy it. See you the next time.